This is Chef Frank from Cambridge, England. I'm going to show you how to use white heat chili sauce. The recipe I'm going to do now for you is white heat buffalo chicken. You can use chicken wings for this, as I have, or chicken drumsticks or chicken thighs. Just don't use chicken breast because that's for quick cooking and we're going to slow cook these chicken wings. First thing to do is put the chicken wings into a plastic bag. And then we're going to add a couple of teaspoons of baking powder. And we're going to add half a teaspoon of salt. Hold the bag tight and give it a really good shake round so that every piece of chicken is coated with baking powder and salt. Preheat your oven to 120 centigrade, 250 Fahrenheit. Pretty low, so we're going to give it 30 minutes on low heat and then we're going to whack the temperature up to about 220 centigrade to cook it for another 40 minutes. Once it's coated, put it on the rack. And into the oven it goes. While we're waiting for the chicken to cook, I'm just going to make a little blue cheese dip to go with our buffalo wings. So this is just a supermarket blue cheese dip, but if it's a little bit too thick, then we can just bring it down a little bit by adding a touch of milk or mayonnaise or cream. Just mix that together, just thinning it a little bit, makes it easier to dip the chicken into it.
So fire it up and feel the heat.
Dipping bowl, it's that easy. So our chicken's now been in the oven for about 30 minutes at 120 centigrade, and then I turn the heat right up and get another 40 minutes at about 220 centigrade. So that's crisped the skin up really nicely. It's come out now and we're ready to plate up and just make a little bit of buffalo sauce to go on the top. So let's get our chicken first. Lovely crispy chicken. Put that onto the plate. Look at that, beautiful and crispy. Just melted some butter in a pan. A little bit of butter. Now we're going to add the white heat chili sauce to it. This sauce is very, very hot. You only need a tiny bit. If you use it sparingly, which you should do, then it will last longer in a 1970s vinyl triple album. So I'm just going to dip a spoon in, a couple of drops is all you need. Mix that into the butter.
Fire it up and feel the heat.
Drizzle the butter over the chicken. Serve that with blue cheese dip. There we go, crispy chicken thighs or drumsticks or wings with blue cheese dip.